Welcome to Troll Time, where I share some of the best of the worst of the comments that I receive. Now, today's comment comes from Kimberly, and Kimberly says, "You must be out of your mind, lady, and who talks like that?" Well, Kimberly, thank you so much for your concern about my mental health. But I can assure you, I am most definitely not out of my mind. All I'm trying to do here is, spread some positivity, make people have a laugh, and help people to upcycle, refashion, and create their own unique style, which I think is a pretty positive thing to do. I think more to the point would be people are not really in their right mind when they go and leave negativity and spread hatred for absolutely no reason other than they are very, very sad in their own lives. So they want to spew that out to strangers, be it online or even worse, in person. So I hope that answers your question, the first question. Actually, not a question, a statement. I apologize, Kimberly. Now, on to the next one, which was a question. And who talks like that? Well, clearly I talk like this. And I'm just wondering, Kimberly, if you've lived quite an isolated life and you haven't really come across people from other countries who maybe speak other languages, and everybody around you talks exactly the same with the same intonations, the same vocabulary, the same grammar. That's the only reason I can think that you would be asking that question. But I can actually explain exactly why I speak how I speak. And first and foremost, because I'm Canadian. I grew up in Canada, so I speak with a Canadian accent, I'm guessing. Additionally to that, I did spend over 20 years living and working abroad in Japan, England, Greece, and Germany. So I do also have those languages in my brain. And I'm sure that also does affect my speech patterns, because when you live in other countries, when you speak other languages, of course, your speech will be affected because you are speaking with those accents and those intonations. Additionally to that, I just got one more for you, Kimberly, here. Additionally, I was an English teacher for more than a few years, and my specialty was actually pronunciation. So my students actually came to me on purpose because I spoke very slowly and clearly, and they wanted to learn how to speak like me. And I think that does actually all contribute to how I speak today. And of course, because I am a teacher and I do understand and realize that not everybody watching my videos is going to be fluent in English. There's people from all over the world speaking all different languages who want to learn about refashioning. And so because of that, I do tend to keep my vocabulary and my speech very, very clear so everybody can understand. I also do the same with my closed captions and subtitles to make it easy for everybody to be able to upcycle, refashion, and create their own unique style. So Kimberly, I hope that answered your concerns and your question, and you can kind of get past your own short-sightedness and realize that there are loads of different kinds of people in the world who speak many different kinds of languages and speak with different accents, different intonations. And you know what? Open up a little bit and you will be surprised how awesome your life can be when you just open up that closed mind just a little bit more. And I think that's it for Kimberly. But yeah, guys, let me know how you're enjoying Troll Time if you want me to continue it, because as I said, I have a lot of these and I have new ones coming in every single week, trust me. And yeah, some I shan't be sharing just simply because they're just too nasty. But there's others that I do think are worth sharing, and it's worth explaining, and maybe together we can help educate the world a little bit and convince people that, spewing hatred and negativity to strangers online or in person is just simply not something that should ever be done. Keep yourself to yourself, and if you can't say anything nice, really, don't say anything at all. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Mwah! Just for you, Kimberly.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.